Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about dropshipping on Wix. If it's possible, what do you do, the steps, etc. So let's get started. First thing to consider is it possible to dropship on Wix? And the answer is yes. You can pretty much dropship anywhere that a person can buy a product. It's not a problem. The buying process is the same. What's different, the only thing that is different is how you ship the product to the customer, and that's through the supplier handling that. In all cases, you never really come in contact with the product. Now, I know dropshipping has gotten popular over the past 2 or 3 years, really popular with Shopify, and people are just now considering, can I dropship here, there, and other e-commerce sites? And of course you can, but I think the major problem people have had with it is huge disappointment with maybe using AliExpress, not getting sales, um, running into quality issues, and those are things you have to solve before you even start your store. So if you go about it in a smart, reasonable manner, then you shouldn't have any problems being successful with dropshipping on any platform. So with that being said, let's get into some of the e-commerce area of Wix. So let's go back to the editor, and what I'm going to do is show you some of the features with the in the store portion, and some of the things you'll need to in your website. So the main thing is starting with your products. You'll list your products as usual, and this is what the product page looks like when you're setting that up. You're going to set it up just like any other product page. But the main thing you want to include is the shipping time. You don't have to say you're drop shipping or anything like that, but you do want to make the customer aware of the correct shipping time. And if you ever experience an issue with shipping time, you have to explain that to the customer. And if they don't agree with that, then go ahead and issue a refund. Now, another thing that you would have to do is set up your legal pages. And you set up all your pages through here. You can add a page and get rid of a page as you like. The main thing again would be your shipping policy. Make sure it's extremely clear so people know when they're going to get their stuff. So to navigate back to the home page here, and I guess the last thing I would talk about is where to get the products. If you don't get them from AliExpress, which is kind of 50-50, it's okay if you really know what you're doing, but if you don't, try to get a supplier that's maybe available with faster shipping, or it's located in the United States. And to find these types of suppliers, you really have to do your own legwork and do your own research, and contacting wholesale suppliers and asking them if they would possibly ship to your customers for you, or if you can set something up. Some of them will, most of them won't, but some of them will. So that's part of the job if you don't want to use something like AliExpress. So I hope this video has helped you. Dropshipping on Wix should be simple, straightforward if you know what you're doing. Just be aware also that in order to have your functioning store on Wix, you're probably going to have to upgrade to their e-commerce tier, and that's going to be about $29.90 per month. They're basically kind of same area as Shopify, the same price. So I hope this video, like I said, is helpful, and thank you very much.